If you would like to add a language switcher to your online store, LangShop can help you display the buttons for your customers on different devices. From your LangShop admin, open LangShop Settings, section Languages. There are the breadcrumbs under Languages title, and you need to open the first one called Switchers. We updated Switchers interface, so now you can customize languages, currencies, and recommendation banners on one page. On the right side, you're able to see your storefront details and style the switchers so they perfectly match your store design. To add a language switcher, you need to find the box called Languages Selectors at the left sidebar and click Add. By default, the switcher button will appear at the bottom right. Let me show you how does the switcher look like on my store if I save current changes. If you would like to change the position of the language icon, find the Advanced tab, Selector Position. There are 5 options where you can place the language button. The 4 standard variants are bottom right, bottom left, top right, top left. The last position called Relative, which gives you access to place your button to a custom position like navigation menu, header, or footer, or any other custom spot. But for this, you need to make some extra steps in the theme code by copy-pasting the given snippets to the right template. In our next video, I'll show you how to add the language switcher to a custom position. There are 3 main tabs that you can manage as well. The Content tab allows you to name the switcher, display icons or titles. You can select to display them all actually, change the flag icon type, display the language full name, or just the language shortcode. The Style tab allows you customizing language switcher, including different colors and fonts. And in the Advanced tab, you can change the position of the switcher, define the offset position, manage the visibility of switchers on mobile, tablet, and desktop devices. Also, you can add different switchers for mobile and desktop screens, for example. And if you decide to create separate language buttons, make sure to hide switchers on certain devices by unchecking the visibility box. So let's check the language switcher I've customized for my online store and how does it look like on different devices. That's it! I hope you can create the same buttons for your Shopify stores with the help of LangShop. If you experience any technical issues with language switchers, comment down below, visit our live chat, give us a call, or write an email. Thanks for watching!